solution to any problem that shows up in your life, in your day, I've found that there's always a solution, and there's always a solution that it may not be right there in front of my face. It might be one that is kind of hiding a little bit. Maybe it's a solution that hasn't came to me quite fully yet, but it's there. And as I go through my day and I learn more and more about what's going on and what I'm doing, and actually how I'm reacting to the situation or to my surroundings. So what I found through my time and through my journey is I never let a problem get in the path of getting the finish line done. So I've made it a point through my life to never let a problem stand in my way. And if you are in the same situation, if maybe you're finding yourself coming across different problems and you're not sure of the solution, how do I get past this? A lot of people that I've spoken with this last weekend actually have had this exact same dilemma. And we've had the talks, and the solutions are there. So a lot of it is definitely your mindset. You know, you have to have a strong mindset in order to have a strong path. So one thing I can tell you for positive, come on, you know you're happy, is when you have a happy mind working on the problem, there's success right there. Because a gloomy mind will show lack of faith in your own creativity. And that's not something you want. You don't want your own self to be sabotaging you. So when you let faith in yourself bring you the answers you seek, aren't you winning already? Aren't you winning before you've even announced defeat? So by no means let fear or worry enter your mind. When you're in a happy state, you're going to get answers, you're going to get solutions, you are going to get what the universe is giving you and is what you are open to receiving. So by no means let fear or doubt or worry enter your mind at all. And I know we can't be happy all the time. People are not happy all the time, but you can be happy every day. Even if, for example, you have something show up in your day it's not happy, it's got you irritated, maybe it's been a bad thing that happened to someone in the family or friends or whatever, those things are going to happen. Those things are going to show up in your life. They're going to show up in your day. And sure, you're going to be upset. You're not going to be happy with that. And that is normal. That is called life. So, but happy thoughts, when you can turn a negative into a happy thought, something bad happens, someone does something bad to you, someone hurts your feelings really bad, definitely that's going to create a void right there. That's going to create a problem right there. When you can turn that into a happy thought of, okay, I am not responsible for this person's actions. I am not responsible for them being irritated. I'm not responsible for them being sick. I'm not responsible for whatever problem they're having. But I am responsible for me. I am responsible for how I think and how I feel and the steps I take to grow myself. When you can do this, you'll find that the more happy thoughts will bring you more solutions. Whatever dilemma you're having, whatever problem you're having in your life, in your day, in your being, there is always a solution to every problem out there. There's no ifs, ands, buts, or thinking about it. So when you take steps and when you take the strategies to create the solution to the problem. Asking the universe, asking God, how will my life be when I am fill in the blank? You'll be surprised that one statement that you make to the universe, to God, to whoever you call this creative power that is in control. When you do that, you're going to find so much more is going to come your way because you're living in a state of happy. You're living in a state of faith that you are taking the right steps. And I'm talking about faith in yourself. I'm not talking about faith in a deity or an entity or anything like that. I'm talking here about the faith you have in yourself to create the life you want, to create the systems you want to have for your family, to be the one that is a provider, a nourisher, any type of a being like that. Like, for example, men are born and bred to be the protectors. And that's just a fact. Men are born to be the protectors. Women are actually born to be the nurturers. That's why women can have the babies and men can't. It's because it's in our DNA, it's in ourselves that women are born to be the nurturers. Men are born to be the protectors. And so as you're living in today's world or whatever is going on here, if you just take a minute to live your life in a happy state of mind, a happy state of being, a happy, not just a mindset, but a happy vibration, because it is a vibration, and a vibration is so powerful. You will be so amazed at everything that comes your way when you're in vibration with the happy. Worry, regret, neglect, all of those things are actually down on the 100s of the vibration level. Vibration level right down in the 100s, 110s, that is really, really low. But when you get in a happy state, a joyful state, or a state of love, and just feeling that love, that happiness, you're up in the 500s, 550s, 560s, even the 600s, in that range. That is a huge, huge accomplishment. I love to live my life in the state of love. I love my life. I love my family. Of course, I love my family. I love what I do for a living. I love working from home. I love giving value to people. I love helping people create the life they want. I love coaching people. You have to have that mentality. So there's always a solution to every problem. Sorry about that, guys. My eye is itchy. There's always a solution to every problem out there. You just have to be open to receiving the answers. And when you're in a happy state, when you're in a state of happy, of I am so happy today, wake up in the morning and be happy. Go to bed at night and you're happy. All through the day, you're happy. This is going to give you another set of solution problems that are going to be fixed. You can have a solution for every problem. It's there. So who you surround yourself with is another huge focus on what you will receive. So if you focus on being happy and you're just excited and everything is going your way and you've got everything on the right path, and all of a sudden you are with maybe your friends or whoever, and they're not in a happy phase. They're never in a happy phase. They're always complaining. They're always irritated. They're those people that they bring you down. When you are in a happy phase and you're creating and you are being the person that is succeeding, those people will wheedle their way into your happy. And sometimes it can be hard to get away from that, but do it anyway. Get away from the negative people. Surround yourself with people who are doing what you want to do. Maybe you're not there yet. That's okay. There is a solution to every problem. So if you are surrounding yourself with people that are happy, if you're surrounding yourself with people that always will find the answer, they will always find the solution to the problem, they will always find a way to work with it, to work around it, and to get past it, because they have faith in themselves. They have faith that whatever they're doing is working. And when you surround yourself with these type of people, your happy phase, your happy frame of mind, your happy mindset isn't going to be hard at all. It is going to come so easy. It is going to be so simple for you because you are creating that life. You are creating the solutions. Before you even need them, you're creating them. So I give you some homework today. Like I said, I spent the weekend talking to people, and you know what? There's some great solutions that we came up with. And when you're in the mindset to do this, oh my gosh, guys, it is amazing. So I give you some homework all week long, from today clear till next Sunday night. Be in a happy state of mind. Be in a happy frame of mind. Be in a happy feeling. Be in a happy way of life. When you get up in the morning, even if you're going, oh my gosh, another day, what am I going to do today? Oh, I have to go to work. I have to go to the job. Or, oh, I didn't get that system up. I have to work on that. Push that away, because you know what? It's all going to come together. Just say, you know what? I'm happy today. Thank you, Lord, or whoever you pray to or whatever. I start my day. I get up motivated. I'm ready to go because I set my day before I even get out of bed. I'm happy. I'm meditated. I'm awesome. And I tell myself I am having a very happy day because I stay in a happy mood all the time. Bad stuff happens all the time. It comes up. It's there. There's nothing we can do about that. It's just always flowing through us. But that's it, just it. It goes through you. It doesn't have to be your life. So I challenge you with your homework for this week to be happy every single day. I mean, something bad's going to happen, something not good's going to happen. Push it away and turn that bad thing, that negative, into a positive, into a happy state. You know, I don't know what I could do as an example to what could possibly go wrong in your life. I don't know. And I don't even want to get that thought pattern going that way, because that is a negative. And that is not a happy thought pattern. So I challenge you to do this, because you're going to find out. And then by next Monday, I'd like to see you on this call, or I will see a lot of you on probably the replay, because I'll get messages back because of the time zones. So do this. And I want to hear back from everyone who is on this challenge here. I want to hear back on how it's changed your life and how it's changed your week. And then go forward, you take the initiative to make it a positive in your life, to make it an everyday thing. And I want to hear back, and I want to hear the testimonies, and I want to hear how this is happening great for you, okay? So as you're growing your business, as you're growing your lifestyle, as you're supplying the needed things for your family, the home, the food, the car, whatever it is, everything you do, be in a happy mood and take the systems that are offered to you, and there's always a solution, okay? So please, hey, subscribe to our YouTube channel here, because we're growing this channel, and also like and share, because we want to keep it going really strong, okay? And I put a training up here in the header for you. It is a business builder training. And like I said before, I never give you guys anything that does not work. I only share with you everything that is proven to be a workable, doable system. Okay. I love you all so much, and have a super fabulous, happy week. Okay.